What is up, you guys? It has been a minute. It's been a month, but I finally had some time to come out here and fish for a little bit. It is 6:30 in the afternoon. It is Saturday, so I'm gonna be back on the road tomorrow. I might make a video. I'm gonna make a video for you guys today for sure. I might come out tomorrow early in the morning and make another video. That way I have 2 videos put out this month. So we're out here at the pond. You guys seen me fish before, but I have not fished on this side of the pond. I've always been on the other side where there's a big old building. But got 3 rods with me today. Got 3 go-tos with me. I got this muscle rod and I got 2 go-to rods. I'm gonna throw around this. I think it's a Filthy Frog from Google Squad. Ow! I am with my son. He's over there rigging up. Had him. He had broke off, so we might have to retie him up here in a little bit. But I'm gonna start on this side of the pond where there's a lot of shade, a lot of trees, a lot of limbs hanging over the water. Guys, if you have seen, I have made a reel about a couple weeks ago. I don't know if you've seen it, good. If you haven't, let me tell you about it. We were out here about 3 weeks ago on the other side of the pond, and on that day we were throwing around worms, just soft plastic worms. And I caught I think it was a 5-pounder, and she caught a 7-pounder, almost an 8-pounder, guys. Big old bass. Those fish were the biggest ones we caught out here. So we came back out here, see if we can hook up on a big one. Hopefully we can. Throw around this rock for a little while. I think over here it's a juicy spot. I feel like it is. I'm seeing a lot of movement in the water right now. It's a ton of stuff I have to go through. I am wearing shorts and Crocs. There's a lot of thorns here. It is really hot out here, so I gotta watch out for snakes. But let's get this cast in. It's been a month. It's been not a month. It's been a month since I made a video, but it's been like 3 weeks since I casted it. If you guys hear music, I am fishing right here where there is a nightclub, and I guess they're getting set up right now. So you're gonna be hearing a lot of music. I don't think it'll start getting real busy till it gets dark. So we're good. Let me see. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for winter time. It's been extremely hot this year. Really ain't been able to fish. I used to fish a lot in the summertime, but since I'll be on the road, we didn't fish that much this summer. I did go out to the lake a few times, but everybody's out on the lake swimming on their jet skis, all this. So I really couldn't fish it how I want, like I can in the winter time. Really, you can't stay out fishing long anyways. You go out early in the morning, but you have to leave like around 11. They go late in the evening. Like, it's still pretty hot right now, and it's 6:30 in the afternoon. Another pond over here. Okay, we found a good spot right here. But last time that I fished this side of the pond, I had some luck. Like I said, there's a spillway over here, so it's like a little small creek right there. It has water that's spilling in to this side of the pond. You got it? Bring it. Alright guys, we're moving, but we just saw first snake. I don't know if you can see him. I mean, you can't because of the sun, but I had things about 3-4 foot long water moccasin. That sucker just moving. Gotta be really careful. Be really careful while I'm walking. That's what I hate about summertime. Those snakes. Alright. So, put down the frog. Put it around the Zoom speed worm. Yeah, I saw him. Just keep an eye on him. And I said just keep an eye on him. But you gotta watch out too. What's going on, guys? So it is a new day. The first clip that you guys seen was from Saturday. What the hell? So rat. Well, the first clips you guys seen was from Saturday. We were out here for like an hour. It was really hot. I started getting closer to the little nightclub that I told you guys is right here. And it just kept getting louder, so I just decided to leave. People started pulling up, so we left. Today is Monday. It is 6:30 in the afternoon. It's me, my brother, and my youngest son with us today. So the same one that was in the video in the beginning. Throwing around the Zoom speed one, guys. It is 92 degrees out here right now. It's really just, it's not that hot, but it's just humid as heck. But we're gonna try to get us some big old bass right now. In the I don't know if you guys seen a reel that I posted on YouTube, but this pond is where my wife caught a 7-pounder, almost 8, and I caught a 5-pounder. So we're gonna see if we can do that same thing today. Got 2 rods with me today. It's the Texas rig. Got a Texas rig tied on, and I got a frog on my other rod. I'm throwing them on Guggen rods, the Green Series. This is a go-to, and I got a mussel rod in the truck. And if you see this thing full of mud, guys, I got stuck that Saturday on that side. We were stuck, so mud got everywhere in the truck. All my reels got full of mud. I rinsed them off with a water hose though. I should have wiped them down. There we go. Guys, I'm gonna try to put 2 videos out this month. I'm gonna try my best. I'm not gonna make any promises. I want to find someone here in my area that knows how to edit, because that's what takes time for me, because I do not know how to edit, and I try my best. It takes me about like 4 hours to do the crap that I do. But I'm trying to find somebody that can do it for me. That way I can just come out and make the videos and drop off the Sims card with them and just head out. Because I really don't have that much time to do that right now. Probably in the winter time, when it starts getting colder and it starts slowing down over here. Probably then I'll be able to do more videos. But I just can't right now. I guess I had a run over here. He got his first fish. He hasn't been fishing in a minute. Look at that little fish. That little.
Two hands.
That little fish.
2 hands, bit.
Do you see it?
10 pounder of there.
Like a 2-pounder. Look at that. Little fish. I think black. Caught it? Who caught it? You?
Me. Come on. Too heavy.
What'd you catch him on?
I don't know what's that.
What's that?
Probably just a hook.
On the Zoom speed worm, but ain't no tail on it no more.
Daddy, I was gonna catch me like this.
Just let him go. Boop. Where at?
We don't catch one there.
I just run it.
Damn. You gotta slow it down a little bit.
Are you done for me?
Throw it that way you can let it down a little bit though. I'm gonna stay over here then. I thought it was a snake over there. Yeah, no. So you say he caught it here close to the end of the grass right here. So they're probably chasing it out. They're probably chasing it back. We're gonna see. And he hasn't fished in about 6 months or I think a year longer. He already caught a first fish. It's really quiet out here, really calm. Let's go down here. Alright guys, my camera overheated, so I don't know where I left off at. It is really hot out here. Still throwing around the frog. See if we can get us a bite on the frog at least before we have to head out. Guys, I had the camera off for about an hour. I turned it off for an hour. I mean, I ain't caught a single thing yet.
Your brother did.
Well, yeah, that's it. Right now we're like in snake territory. I was scared. Hell no. Stop, bro. This is where that snake was at, bro.
Big.
Oh, yeah. Like long. Like a 3-foot mudcat. Alright.
Is that it? Look. That man dirty, sneaky.
Damn, man. Freak.
Chico, is that bad?
Yes, it is.
It's a little one. It's a big one. But if it was a big one, I'll be running.
Dang, he's probably here.
Can I go back over there?
What about hooking the head? Alright, guys, my son is hooked up. He actually broke off. But thank God it broke off right here on the grass. He's in there. He's in knee deep. Ooh. My shoes are getting wet.
I need fucking help.
Hurry, just grab it.
I'm scared. I can't.
Oh my God, bro. Hurry, just grab it.
Grab me, grab me.
You're scared too.
Let's go.
Oh, yes, sir. Alright, guys. I was way over there. I ran over here. I was on the phone, but he broke off. It's like a 2-pounder. Look at that. Let's see. Let him hold it. Heck no.
You got me some shoes or something.
Like, we about lost it. Don't get it close to your clothes.
Be
Let's see.
fishing though. I'm be fishing.
Look at that fish. Good job. If I ain't catch nothing, I'm glad y'all did. Let me see what you caught them on.
It's on the side.
On this Zoom speed worm,
Dad,
guys.
it's on the side of it.
Let me see what.
Like that goat thing right there.
Let me see. Oh no, there ain't nothing. This is the grass. Yes, guys. So that's his first fish of the day. We've been out here for 2 hours. He broke off. That must have been a frame right here. No, it broke off because you pulled
I
it.
know. Yeah, I forget.
You pulled it hard. But wait, let's get a release on him.
Can somebody take me a picture?
Yeah, we're front to. Alright. Let's let him go. Get a release on this fish. Wait. Get closer now. You already got wet anyways. Huh? Keep going. Alright, toss him a little bit that way.
Which way? This one?
Yeah, over that, past that grass right there. Go. Oh. Oh my god. Nice fish. 1-5. Good job, son. Alright, guys. We're gonna stay out here a little bit longer. I think they might start biting now. What the hell am I going? My stuff's over there. I'm finna have to retie him. I'm finna go get another battery for my camera. Pick you guys up here shortly. Alright guys, I tied him back on. He's throwing around the same salt plastic he was using. Zoom speed worm. That's what I got tied on. The sun don't went down. Huh? What'd he say? What'd he say? Yeah. Alright guys, the sun went down. It's completely down now. It's just still a little hot out, but not as bad as it was. I'm gonna stay out here till it gets dark. It gets dark around 8:20, around 8:25. But stay out here a little bit longer than that. Huh? Probably the grass. Next time I come out, I'm going to bring my boat. Oh, y'all saw that? It's a little fish. I am trying to sell my boat, guys. I want to get 2 kayaks. Or like a bass hound. One that I think 2 people can be on. I want to get one of those. Because I'm honestly not able to fish the lake how I want. In the summertime, due to, you know, everybody out there swimming and their jet skis and all that. So I'm going to sell my boat, get 2 kayaks, or like a bass hound or something like that. That way I can fish spots like these, because that's what I mainly fish, is small ponds. And I could take off the motor and just use the trolling motor. I might do that. But if I sell it, you know, I could get 2 or 3 kayaks. Oh man, oh crap. Or like 2 bass hounds. Where I can bring people fishing, do little challenges here and there. But I'm not sure yet. It's still on Facebook Marketplace. I've had some ridiculous deals. People trying to trade some guns for it. I don't want that. But if I do sell it, you guys be the first to know. I don't know if you guys can see anymore, but it's getting dark.